Hi students, in this video we are going to learn class 10 term 2 sample paper. In this sample paper we have 3 sessions, totally 14 questions. First 6 questions is of 2 marks, then the 4 questions of 3 marks and the remaining is 2 case studies of 4 marks. Now the allotted time is 2 hours, the total marks will be 40 marks. Now we'll solve the questions now. First session A 2 mark question. Look at the first question here. Find the root of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 7x minus 6 is a question. So since they didn't mention under which method we have to solve, we can take any method to solve the particular problem. Either we can go by quadratic formula or we can factorize directly. So here we are going to do the direct factorization. So we have to multiply the first number and the last number. So 3 into minus 6 will be minus 18. So we need to find the two terms which will give you the multiplication value as minus 18 and the subtraction value is minus 7. Why I am saying subtraction? Here we are getting the minus sign. So we have to do the subtraction. While you are subtracting, the answer should come to minus 7. So here which two number means 9 2s will give you 18. While you are subtracting 9 and 2, it will be giving you 7. To subtract the numbers, one number should get a positive sign, the another one should get a negative sign, then only it will be getting subtraction. So the minus sign should be given for the big number. Why? Because we need the answer in minus. So here we should give the minus for the big number and the plus for the small number. So this is the first step. Now the minus 7x we are going to split it as minus 9x and plus 2x. That method is called splitting the middle term method. So the first number and the last number of the equation should be kept as it is. So that is 3x squared and minus 6 we just keep as it is. Now the minus 7x alone we have to replace with the factor which we found now. So minus 9. So minus 9x. Here x is used now, so we have to take along with the x. So minus 9x plus 2x we should write. While you are adding them, while you are connecting them, it will coming to 7x directly. So now we are getting 4 terms. Connect two terms together. Now these two terms, look at the numbers 3 and 9, which is a common table. 3 is a common table. Take the 3 outside. X squared and x, what is a common? X is a common, you take it outside. Now open the bracket. In the first term, 3 went outside. In this x squared, 1 x went outside. So remaining one more x will be there, that you should be right here. Now this minus sign. 3 into what number will give you 9? We have to think. 3 3s are 9. So the 3 should be written. That x we already taken out. Then you have to close the bracket. So this is the way you have to take the common factor outside. Now for here 2 1 6 2 table is common. Take it out. Here the remaining is x. This minus sign. 2 into what number will give you 6? So 3. So the bracket will be the same. X minus 3 and x minus 3. Take the x minus 3 as a common. And 3x plus 2 is the remaining terms here and here, that should be clubbed together. Now the equation is given equal to 0. Take here equal to 0. Both the terms should be equated to 0. Now first one, x minus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to plus 3. This is one answer. The next one, the second term, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. The plus 2 can be taken to other side. It will become minus 2. X is equal to multiplication 3, while you are going to that side as a division 3. So x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So x is equal to 3 and minus 2 by 3 is the correct roots. Look at the another question. Now in your exam you can select any one of the question, but we need to learn everything. That's why we are solving this also. Find the value of k. In this quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So they have mentioned you the equation has real and equal roots. That means the discriminant value, that is b squared minus 4ac, will lead to 0. Then only the roots will be real and equal. Now in our equation 3x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 is given. Let us equate this equation to the general form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now while you are comparing, a value is 3 and b value is k and c value is 3. Now this one should be substituted here. Now first one is b squared. So here we have k squared minus 4 into a into c, 4 into a into c. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 0. So k squared minus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 equal to 0. So 36 you can take it to other side. It will become a plus 36. Now k is equal to the square. If we take it to other side, it will become a square root. Now 36 we are getting root 36. So we are taking out, it will coming out as a 6. You should take plus or minus sign. By whatever number we are taking out of the root, it will be consist of both the symbols plus and minus. So the k value can be plus or minus 6 is your correct answer. We will go for the second problem now. 3 cubes each of volume 64 cm cube are joined end to the end to form a cuboid. 3 cubes. In our book they have given you 2 cubes. Now in this question they have given you 3 cubes. Now this is the first cube and the next one second cube and third cube. 3 cubes they are going to join together like this. If you are joining 3 cubes together, definitely that will form you a cuboid. So now this is a cuboid we are forming in this. They have given you very clearly each volume 64 centimeter cube. If we are taking the first cube, the volume is 64 centimeter cube. Likewise for all the 3 cubes, the volume is 64 centimeter cube only. Now we know that what is the volume of a cube means that is a cube. A cube is equal to 64 is given. Now we can say that a cube is equal to 4 cube because 64 is nothing but 4 cube. So a is equal to 4. Now we can come to the conclusion. The side of the cube is 4. The length is 4. The length is 4, breadth is 4 and height is also 4 for one cube. Likewise for all the 3 cubes we have to calculate. Now for the cuboid, the length will be for the first cube 4, second cube 4 and the third cube also will be 4. So the resulting cuboid, the dimension will be, the length will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 will give you 12. So the length of the cuboid is 12 and the breadth, there is no change in the breadth. You have to take the same as 4 and height also there is no change while you are connecting to the end. There will no change in the height also. The height also you have to take it as a 4. Everything is a centimeter you have to take. Why? Because they have given you centimeter cube as a volume. Now length, breadth, height we found. Now the question is find the total surface area of the cuboid so formed they are asking. So they are asking you to find the TSA, total surface area of the cuboid. So TSA of a cuboid is just a formula. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL we have to take. HL square centimeter. Square unit you have to take whenever you are calculating for the surface area. Now 2 into first L into B. L is 12 and B is 4 plus B into H. B is also 4. Height is also 4 plus H into L. H is 4 and L is 12. Square centimeter or centimeter square we can take. So 2 into 12 4s are 48. 4 4s are 16 plus again 48. First we have to do the multiplication, then only we have to go for the addition according to the board mass. So 2 into, so 48 plus 16 we have to add panna 112 we are getting. Now 2 into 112. So 4s are 2s are 2s are 224 centimeter square is your correct answer. Children, look at the third problem. An inter-house cricket match was organized by a school. Distribution of runs made by the students is given below. Find the median run scored. Now the question run scored is given, number of the students also given to us. We have to consider the runs which is given as an interval, as a class interval. Now the number of students we have to taking as a frequency. Now these two are already given in the question. Now we are going to calculate the median run. So how to calculate the median? The first step we have to find the cumulative frequency CF. Now take the F value as it is. So first number 4 will be taken as it is. Now the number will be added with the second one. 4 plus 6 will give you 10. 10 plus 5 will give you 15. 15 plus 3 will give you 18. 18 plus 4 will give you 22. Now if you are adding all these things, the 22 should come, then your table is correct. Now let's add it. This is 10. 15, 19, 20, 22 is coming correctly. So the this cumulative frequency what we made is correct. Now after finding this first step, this number should be taking as a n. The summation f should be considered as n actually. Now the first step of finding median is we have to calculate n by 2. So this is 22 by 2 will give you 11. Now we have to find out the 11 is lies between which two numbers in the CF. Now 11 lies between 10 and 15. The number 11 is lies between that n by 2 values lies in between 10 and 11. Sorry, 10 and 15. Now the big number is there. No, that should be taken as a median class. So the big number should be taken as a median class. In this median class, the class interval which comes, that is a lower limit, that is your L. The number which comes in the F should be taken as a F frequency. And the CF alone, we should not take it from the median class. That is the number which is helped us to select the median class, the 10. That should be taken as a CF. That is a preceding class of the median class is a CF actually. Now we write the formula, median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is your median formula. So let's apply from the table. L value, so here the last number 40. So 40 plus n by 2 we calculated as 11. So 11 minus CF. CF is 10 divided by F. F is here 5 and multiple by H. H is nothing but class size. So what is the interval gap in this question? 20 is given. So take it as 20 here. Now 40 plus 1 by 5 and 20 we can cancel it. Let's write and cancel here. 1s are and this is 4 times. So 40 plus 1 4s are 4. It will be 44. So 44 is the median run score of the match actually. Median is 44 is your correct answer. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us and subscribe our channel for more videos.